In the world of packaging, every second counts. From fillers to palletizers, even a brief breakdown can bring production to a halt. With UpKeep, identifying and reporting equipment issues takes seconds, so your team can respond before it becomes a costly delay. Smart alerts notify the right people immediately. That means less bottlenecks and more uptime. From conveyors to coders, every repair is tracked, logged, and closed, all in one place. With UpKeep Intelligence, data works harder, spotting trends, predicting failures, and helping your team stay ahead of breakdowns. Preventive maintenance plans built in UpKeep keep your line running longer, without unexpected stops. UpKeep automates spare parts tracking, so you always have the right part, right when you need it. UpKeep helps packaging teams stay efficient, audit-ready, and always ahead of failure.